Guys, so for today's video I wanted to do something a little bit more interesting. So I saw this YouTube short where she did half of her face a no makeup look and the other side she just left bare. So that's what we're going to be doing for today's video. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. First we're going to start with primer. Now this is my favorite face primer. Currently I'm going to use the Honest Beauty Glow Primer, and to apply this primer, I'm going to use a brush like this. This is the Bedazzler Muscle Brush, and this is like my favorite brush to use for face primer. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sweep this all over the left side of my face, and my face is all ready for foundation. Now we're going to go directly into the brows because I like to do my brows before I apply foundation, just so they're not like messy when I apply them, or when I apply the brow products. So I'm going to use so normally when I do a no makeup look, I go in with just a brow powder, but today I'm actually going to going in with another brow product. So I'm going to take the Jafra Brow Powder Duo in Dark Blonde, and we're going to take the lighter shade first. I'm going to take the Morphe M153 brush to apply it, and we're only going to apply the lighter shade in this part of the brow. We're going to take the darker shade and we're just going to apply it from where the lighter shade stops, and then in the rest of the brow. And then I like to go in and just kind of brush up the brow hairs. And then we're going to use another Jafra Brow product. This is the Jafra Micro Brow Pencil in Dark Blonde. And I'm only going to apply this in the sparse areas. So mainly in the front of the brow and in the tail end of the brow. I don't usually apply it in the middle of the brow. I only do it on the outer. Now let's move back into the face. For foundation, I'm going to use a full coverage powder foundation. So this is from Jafra. This is the Jafra 2-in-1 powder foundation in cream. Now, I thought this was too dark for me, but I think it's okay. I really like this one. So I didn't know what brush to apply it with, so I just used this one. This is from Morphe. This is from the face brush set. I just used the fluffy brush and I just sweeped it all over the face. For concealer, I didn't want to kind of really conceal that much. I just wanted to conceal very lightly. So I'm just going to use the Jafra Cream Concealer in Light. And I'm not going to go directly in and apply it like this. I'm going to take a brush. So I'm going to use my favorite brush to do that. I'm going to take the QC Makeup Academy concealer brush, and I'm just going to sweep that underneath, or the under eye area, and then any blemishes. And again, I want to go very, very light because since this is a no makeup look, I just want to tone it down just a little bit. We are going to set the concealer with the Bare Minerals Original Foundation in Fairly Light. I'm going to use the Anissa Beauty Angled Concealer Brush. I love this brush because it gets you can get really close to the inner corner of the eye, or the under eye area, and kind of nicely kind of set the under eye area. And I also do go in and set the concealer that we used in any of the blemish areas as well with this brush. Now I'm going to go in to blush. Now I wanted something kind of rosy because I just kind of want to bring a little bit of that rosiness back into my cheeks, even though I kind of did a light foundation. I want a little bit something more with it. So I'm going to take the Jafra Powder Blush in Rose Orro. This is my favorite blush. It's amazing. When I'm not doing like all cream products, I go in with this brush. This blush. Speaking of brush, the brush that I'm going to use to apply the blush is the Anissa Beauty Angled Cheek Brush. I recently started using this brush, and it's amazing. I wonder if you can also use it for bronzer. I haven't tried it yet for that. I really, really like this brush. This is amazing. Go in it to the eyes. Now, I'm not going to do a full kind of eye look because since this is a no makeup look. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take the same face primer that we used for the face. I'm going to use this to prime the eyes as well. I really like to do that, to use one primer for the eyes and the face. That's like my favorite thing to do. So to apply the same face primer, I'm going to use the Anissa Beauty Eye Prime brush to prime the eyes. I absolutely love this brush for that. Then to set the primer on the lid, or on the entire eye, I'm going to take the Bare Minerals Original Foundation, again, this is in Fairly Light, and I'm just going to set it with the Echo Tools Large Eyeshadow Brush, and that's all we're going to do on the eyes. And then for lashes, I'm going to first curl my lashes. This is the Tweezerman Rose Gold Lash Curler, my favorite lash curler. I also really like the QC Makeup Academy Lash Curler, but I think this one is like my favorite. So for mascara, I wanted to do this one today because, I don't know, I wanted just to change up my mascara a little bit. So this is the Jafra Define High Definition Waterproof Mascara in the Blackest Black. My favorite mascara of all time. As you can see in the clip when I'm applying this, I get mascara marks on my lid and on my under eye area, which is okay. I kind of obviously covered it up a little bit, but I love this mascara. This is like for lips. I wanted to use something that was a little tint to the lips. It kind of tinted my lips just a little bit, but not really. I mean, this is a lip gloss. I'm gonna take the Jafra Royal Pumping Lip Jelly in Sugar and Spice. This is my favorite lip gloss. The applicator looks like that. I think I did this in the clip. Okay. I didn't do these two things in the clip, but I guess I can do them now. I guess. So, yeah, I'm gonna do them now since I didn't really finish. So I'm gonna take the Jafra Volumzing Brow Gel in clear. I really, really like this one. I'm not a huge fan of the like tinted ones, but I really like that. I'm gonna use this to set the brow. Totally forgot to do this in the clip. I'm gonna leave the brows at that. And then a new kind of setting spray discovery that I discovered. This is the NYX Bear With Me Multitasking Spray. Now, sometimes I use this because you can prime, set, and refresh, it says. I used to use it sometimes when for a primer before I had this. I really like that as well, but I'm just going, now I'm going to use it to set the makeup, so I'm going to do that now. That's it for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Bye!